Welcome to Payment Safe Learning Hub. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to connect a Bluetooth base with the terminal. Before starting the process, please make sure the Ethernet cable and power cable are plugged into the right place. Once the cables are plugged in correctly, 3 lights will turn on as you can see in this picture. Let's start the configuration. Tap on the 3 lines and press on Exit. This will bring you to the main menu. Tap on the 3 lines again and select Setup Wi-Fi Base. Tap on Open Bluetooth Settings. Turn on the Bluetooth. Once Bluetooth is turned on, you'll see all the available Bluetooth devices. The name of the Bluetooth base will start with L920 Pro. Select the base from the list. Tick 2 boxes and type the password 9876. Then press OK. Now tap on the paired option. Turn on Configure Static IP, then tap on Apply. Then tap on Next. Use a password that contains at least 8 digits and 1 uppercase letter. Then tap on Apply. Once applied, please tap on Next. This will create a connection between the Bluetooth base and the terminal. Please delete all the previously saved networks. To check the connection, tap on the Payments option. Then tap on Test Acquiring Connection. If authorized, then you're all set. Thank you for watching the video and I hope this guide helped.